Hey everybody! As you can see, there's still snow on the mountain, but most of the snow on the ground has melted, and it is a sunny day, although cold. But I decided today I will tackle my flower garden. You can see things are covered in a blanket of snow. The lamb's ear is covered in a blanket of snow. The zinnias have died. There's still seed pods on there, but I have plenty of seeds, so I am not saving any more of these. And you can see this right here is calendula, still green. Guess it was blanketed by snow and insulated. And the gomphrena is done, so I can pull that up, but you can see some other things that are still green in there. As I've mentioned before, I have a lot of perennials in here, so the only thing I'm pulling up today are the zinnias. Everything else is a perennial, so I will not pull it up. I will leave it, although the gomphrena, you know, I think that's a iffy. That might come back next year, not sure. Most of gompphrenas that I've tried are annuals here, but I may just leave it. They're kind of pretty even with that dried look, and so I may just leave that, but I'm going to go ahead and pull up all of these zinnias and compost as many as I can. There's our beautiful mountain at sunset. You can see why it's called the Sandia Mountains. because of the beautiful watermelon color. And it's not all there, but you can see it. You can see it over here better. Little stripes. That's the rock that shows up in that watermelon color. So I was able to get it all cleared out before the sun has gone down completely. So I will finish this project tomorrow and I will start on the vegetable garden. What I need to do in here is just rake up. You saw some of the very large zinnias that I pulled up, and they actually pulled a lot of dirt with them. I shook as much off as possible, but I need to take a rake and just rake all the dirt level. I found some interesting things. I have bulbs already coming up. I think those are daffodils. Don't think they'll survive the winter, but we'll see. But you can see my lamb's ear that I planted, that I divided and planted from these two that are still under the snow. So that job is almost complete. I will be able to finish it up probably not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I take that day off, go to church, and so I'll probably get back out here on Monday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.